morning, good afternoon, and good night. This is another pile job. This is the pile job. This is gonna be the pile job channel. So we see here the machine is running. It's being heated by the salamander. This is salamander. So cold we had to heat up the equipment. See that? Another mixer machine. This is part of the installation equipment accessories. They are breaking some cement here and there. Machine, the material ready to be installed, but apparently it's not today. See the equipment here. What happened was hammers, materials. Oh, there's a lot of piles. These are helicoid piles. The central shaft is 5.5 inches, and you see the headers. This is the header. It's a 14 inches vessel that cuts through the soil. Penetrates the soil. This piece is 20 feet. This thing, this helicoil rings, those does not drill. They don't drill. They just push the concrete down. It works like a pump to bring the concrete down. Because in this case, the grout is injected outside of the shaft. Now the one we saw yesterday that you inject the concrete through the shaft, right? Inside the shaft. This concrete goes outside the shaft. So this helicoil rings helps to push down the grouting. The one doing the breaking and the drilling and the soil drilling is the 14 inches helicoil vessel. Take care, guys. Careful. This is the hammer they use, installed on an excavator, and a Volvo excavator EC330B LC. Wow, we had 3 piles installed here. We had 3 piles over there. Another pile job. I think we observed this one. One of these I observed it. The 224. I was here. They're demolishing some more pre-existing concrete. You see the 204. 204, yes. And we had 3, and those 3 in the front. have some markings here. 137, 135, 138, 139, 140, 134, 133. We have one in the middle. I don't know. I don't see the number. But I see 141, 131. We see a lot over there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 141, 131. Pretty muddy here, so be careful. Let's locate the first one. It's 137, 138, 139, 140, 135, 134, 133. I would say this is 136. This is it. Jonathan, you're drilling today? I don't think so.
Not drilling today.
Not today. So I'm just gonna do the work in progress. On no ground. Okay. I'm leaving. How you doing? All good?
Everything good.
So the fucking weather, miss. Look at my hands.
Oh,
The-
what happened?
the Friday,
Yeah.
I was taking concrete and shit. I didn't have time to get my gloves. My hands was like a swallow, like a glove. Fucking shit. I started bleeding and shit.
Yeah.
It's been like the 3 months with this fucking weather. Remember when we were like Mother Gaston?
Yeah, Mother Gaston.
Fucking shit, man. We were here before I went on vacation.
Yeah. I drilled in the pile for the pool test.
Shit, man. Everything good?
Yeah.
I don't like this part, you know. I don't like it.
No?
No.
So what?
Because when you find rocks, you have to change the bead and drain the breaker and shit. I don't like it. But they're working. They're working. See you tomorrow, right?
See you tomorrow.
Hopefully. I don't know if they'll send me. All right. They're gonna put flag numbers. It's good, flag numbers, because you're gonna get erased really quick.
Yeah, eso va a borrar.
And for me, it's hard to get the number. For you, it's hard to get the fucking
No,
numbers.
pero yo lo tengo en el plano.
Okay. Perfecto. Ojalá que no vaya bien. Porque a veces cuando se empieza a ponerse lodoso. Y Dayana, ¿cómo sigue?
En Guay está todavía.
I don't like that project. El arquitecto me hizo odiar ese proyecto.
Sí.
Yeah.
Molestan mucho a veces.
Sí. Y el edificio al lado se le está hundiendo por su maldita mediocridad. No por ustedes. Y él quería culparlo a ustedes.
Sí. El trabajo lo hemos hecho muchas veces nosotros.
Bueno, nos vemos. Ojalá me manden aquí mañana. All right. So I have 157, 156, 153, 154, 155. So we had a lot of stuff going on. Okay. This is flagging. This is the where they found my tank over there, and there's another one over there. So I'm leaving right now. Okay. The surveyors, more materials being fixed. The breathing removed out of the site. So there was a big piece of concrete here. You can see it. It was this morning, it's like 14 inches, maybe 16 inches, something like that. They already removed it. It was right here. They took it out. So let's leave the place. I live in the Hey, that's it. Another day, another dollar.